How to download PlayStation app on PC. I'm going to tell you how to do it. The PlayStation app is officially made for iOS and Android, so you won't find a direct PC version. But you can still use it with a workaround. The easiest way is by downloading an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player on your PC. Once installed, open the emulator, go to the Google Play Store, and search for PlayStation app. Download it just like you would on your phone. Then log in with your PlayStation Network account. From there, you can check friends, messages, notifications, and even shop for games. Keep in mind, this isn't officially supported by Sony, so some features may not run as smoothly as on mobile. But it's the best way to get the PlayStation app working on your personal computer.